Hello, this is Lindsay, and today I am sharing another one of my digitals. I'm doing flip throughs of these and adding them to a playlist. That way it's easy for you to see the details and maybe learn a little bit about it. So this one is Workbasket Moths. I love this one. It was one of my earlier ones. This is an envelope. I love the tapestry in the background. So moths and like a sewing basket or a work basket. So this one has two envelopes. Most of my kits don't have two envelopes. I also love the little embroidery details. They're so cute. And then we have journal cards. See the moths and the embroidery on all of them. Ephemera page. Got like an applique, a stitched heart, another applique, a multiplication card that has a little moth on it, and then this is like a little cross-stitched linen. I have the link in the description box where you can purchase these digitally on Etsy or Shopify, or the prints. The prints have free shipping if you're interested in that. Sewing machine, a little needle case. This is handmade. I love this alphabet with the stitching in the moths. Really pretty. And then here's some of the journal pages. There's that gorgeous tapestry again. And then just layering up different vintage like sewing elements and embroidery. This one even has a little bit of ledger with it. Little needle and some fabric. We have some lace moths on this side. Did lots of different fabric textures. These go great in sewing journals to have something just a little bit of different, to add a little bit of nature to your sewing. Little button. Some lace at the top of this one. A little crocheted moth right there. The stitching and the buttons down the side here. There's the sewing machine and the needle case, a doily, beautiful textured fabric. Even adding things like multiplication, some math type things, because Workbasket, work for your mind and work for your hands. And then look at the folds of fabric, and then the floral lace down the middle, the ribbon embroidery. And that is Workbasket Moths. I hope you add it to your collection.